Welcome back everyone. You might be in some sort of weird situation where for some reason your MacBook, your iMac, or macOS device in general just cannot update for some reason. Now this can happen for a ton of reasons. You'll see a lot of different issues or prompts on your screen saying the macOS version cannot be installed on this computer and whatever. Now there are some really easy ways to go about fixing this. One of the most common ways that you can actually go and fix this is to restart your computer. Now, this is the number one thing I'd recommend everyone to do, and it seems so obvious, but sometimes there are a lot of different things in the background, and I've even heard that sometimes if you had a previous version downloaded, aka a update that already was downloaded, and you didn't restart your computer and you try to update it, sometimes it might even go update your computer first and then re-update to the latest version. I don't know, it barely even makes sense in my head, but I've heard a few cases like that. So I would recommend restarting your computer, just, good old going up to your Apple logo, clicking shutdown, and then letting it, fully shut down, and then restarting it back up, and then trying to go ahead and update your computer again. If that doesn't work out, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you have enough memory on your computer for an update to happen. Now this can also lead to a lot of different issues as well. If you only have like 100 megabytes left in your system, Apple will probably just not let you go ahead. Your Mac machine will probably not let you go ahead and restart your computer and go ahead and push an update. Now, like I said, this isn't like the end all be all. It's not like every single time this will happen, but sometimes this could actually happen. So I would recommend everyone who plans on upgrading your computer, make sure you have enough storage on your device. That way the update can actually be downloaded and stored on your machine. Like I said, if you only have a couple hundred megabytes on your machine, your MacBook, your iMac, your macOS machine will probably not let you go ahead and update your machine. Now, if that all doesn't work, what you can always do is go through the macOS App Store and update your machine that way as well. Now, this is really cool because you don't have to go through the normal way of going through system preferences or whatever. You can actually go into your macOS store. So just search up App Store. Then you can go ahead and find your specific update by just typing in macOS and downloading the most recent version of that, and your installer will come up, and then you can go ahead and install your update that way. Now this is another really cool way of going about updating your machine because it doesn't, force you to download it from your Safari browser or whatever. You can just download it straight from the App Store and go from there. So that's another really huge thing I would recommend you all to do. Now, if all that stuff still doesn't work, another thing that I've seen a lot of people talk about is actually sometimes with your date and time settings. So sometimes you may have your date and time settings off from your actual location. So what you want to do in this case, you want to go into system preferences, you want to go into your date and time settings, and you want to make sure that you set your date and time settings to automatic. You don't want to set it to, a certain time. If you're running into issues, if you weren't running into issues, then that's totally okay. But since you are running into issues, you want to set that to automatic. And then at that point, you want to go ahead and try to reinstall that specific software. And at this point, most probably than not, it should be able to go and install that software. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys run into any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.